Pakistan is a land full of opportunities, a land where potential to grow big is indeed a reality. Rich with minerals, oil and gas fields, four seasons, rivers, mountains, sea belts, deserts, and strategic connectivity to and from hot waters. Pakistan has become an integral pillar for the demand and supply chain of this region. With the surging demand of oil consumption, which has increased many times in the last decade, Pakistan has become one of the highest oil consuming countries, especially after the rolling of CPEC and motion. Most of the demand is met by imported oil that is imported at KPT terminal and Port Qasim, which is being saturated due to port limitation and insufficient storage. With the current boom, it's only natural that we look into more opportunities to build a more accessible port and bigger storage facilities, because the current business model cannot afford to rely on the current two ports with limited operations. Along with the local reserves, Pakistan relies on imported oil due to rising demand, which rose after saturating gas reserves in mid-2000. Pakistan's economy is mostly diesel-driven, and keeping in mind the CPEC plans, the demand will further increase in the following years. Having 25 plus years of experience, SAF Pakistan presents a lifetime opportunity in the form of country's largest oil storage facility. This facility will be built in the heart of country's future oil movement hub, where incidentally, SAF made an other history a decade ago by installing Pakistan's first offshore SBM jetty, which was relocated from Fujairah and has been operating successfully and meeting the crude oil handling demand of BICO. SAF is the only company in Pakistan to have achieved this feat. This SBM has capacity of transferring oil in large packets to the proposed storage facility. A first of its kind of this magnitude, this will be SAF's flagship project. This project will be constructed on an approximately 250 plus acre land hub, with the storage capacity of approximately 500,000 ton of crude oil, diesel, motor gas and aviation fuel. Another reason this place makes it an ideal and strategic location is due to the current LNG and LPG import expansion contract. The load on KPT Potco terminal has increased. The CRL terminal at Khalifa Point, which got the official port status, is already functioning with BICO oil terminal, and for the rising demand, SAF plans to install another SBM to cater to white and black oil demand. An oil refinery takes 3 to 5 years from conception and running. On the other hand, storage facility takes 2 years to function. Based on this demand, SAF plans to start building this project as soon as possible to cater the national demand. The product imported by SBM and stored at SAF oil terminal facility will be integrated via downstream pipelines to Bin Qasim to be inducted to national grid through the white oil pipeline network. SAF Pakistan thrives on quality and long-term relations with their partners, and with this project, we plan to make it a world-class project that becomes the pride of Pakistan. SAF Pakistan, Safe Pakistan.